Let's play around with our favorite turon and make a Kamotecue version. Kamotecue Turon, let's start cooking. So ito, I have boiled kamote, my favorite. And ito, mash lang. Mash natin, mash. Mash lang natin. It has to be boiled properly. And tingnan mo, it's still steaming. Mainit-init siya because I will add butter. So ito siya, medyo fancy version. I will season with salt. May salt pa rin for flavor. Mash, 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 and evaporated milk. Para tayong gumagawa ng mashed sweet potato, no? And I will add some sugar, no? Sugar natin, konti lang, but you can even make it sweeter if you want. So now I will switch to my spatula. So it's really up to you, no? If you want it to be like very smooth, but I like it to be chunky, a bit chunky. To make it easier for you to slice your cheese, ito, tan-ta-tan! Tubig, wet your knife, cold cheese, and just slice away. Diba? Hindi siya dumidikit sa inyong blade. Then, I have here more water and some flour. Gagawa tayo ng ating pangdikit. Yan ang ating lumpia wrapper. Covered in a damp piece of cloth. And let's start to roll. Just a little bit. Queso. Sweet salty, ang hilig natin mga Pinoy sa sweet salty combination. Dito, when you roll it, dapat hindi masyadong tight. Bakit? Dahil gusto natin na may space to expand yung ating turon. Pero what if wala akong lumpia wrapper? Ito, gagawin nyo. Pwede nyo gawing croquettes din. So, ito, meron tayong breadcrumbs and egg. Ito yung gagawin natin. Scrambled egg. Gawa natin ng sample ng mga 3 pieces siguro, ha. Yan. Then, ang cheese natin, gagawin natin sa cheese. Diced naman tong cheese natin. Key is to damp the palm of your hand. Get a spoonful of our mashed kamote. Tuck in the cheese in the middle. Para ito yung key mo, yung damp hand mo. Para hindi ka mahirapan mag-handle, no? Dunk it into the egg and toss it in our breadcrumbs. And we are ready to fry. So, unahin natin yung ating turon. Hot oil. So, manage the heat. Di masyadong mainit para hindi siya masunog agad. But you don't have to worry kasi luto na yung ating kamote. Di ba? So, move it around, no? So, it cooks evenly. Yun ang gusto natin, no? Pantay yung kulay ng ating turon. Yan. And we're done. Happy ako, ha? And let's put it aside. And now let's try frying our croquettes, no? Sweet potato balls. You can also shape it into logs, make it smaller like tater tots. Ito siya kasi hindi naman siya deep fried. You have to keep moving it around para mag-cook siya evenly. Woo! Beautiful! Diba? So, ito gagawa tayo ng rum caramel sauce. O, di ba? A little bit of oil, sugar. No? White sugar yung gamit natin. If we want to caramelize this, no? Maingat lang tayo this part because we will flambe our rum or brandy. Careful, guys, ha? Yan. Yan. And we add our butter. Turn off our heat. Yan. And we will add our turon. We're done, no? Woo! Beautiful. And eto na siya. Pag natakot kayo mag-flambe, huwag nyo nang gawin. But, you can just toss your beautiful turons. Look at that. In the melted sugar. Winner na winner. No? Pag binenta mo ng ganito, I think people will love it. Here on the other side, yung ating sweet potato croquettes. O, di ba? Be sure to cool it down before mo tikman or else you might burn yourself. Sarap to with coffee or salabat. Salabat is a good idea. Alam mo, dahil ng sugar na ilagay natin sa ating mixture, it's just a tiny bit, around 2 tablespoons for all of this. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung kamote, no? And it's done, di ba? Something to try over the weekend with your kids. Ang ating Kamotecue Turon and Kamote Croquettes, simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!